asexual and sexual reproduction, those both kind of reproduction are observed in different species of Paramecium. In case of Paramecium cordatum, conjugation is specifically observed. But in case of Paramecium aurelia, a unique type of reproduction is observed known as autogamy. Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I am Animesh, and in this video I am going to discuss about both kind of reproduction that is observed in Paramecium in different species. So let's jump into the topic. Firstly, here we are observed two main kinds of Paramecium, that is Paramecium cordatum and Paramecium aurelia. In case of Paramecium cordatum, one macronucleus along with one micronucleus is observed, and in case of Paramecium aurelia, one macronucleus along with two micronucleus is observed. In case of asexual reproduction, both macronucleus and micronucleus are primarily elongated along with the cytoplasm, and after elongation there is a formation of cleavage site in here. After that, the splitting of both of the nucleus, that is the macronucleus and micronucleus, occurred, and those macronucleus and micronucleus come up on the polar side, both of the polarity of the particular Paramecium, and finally it splits into two daughter Paramecium, number 1 and number 2. In case of Paramecium cordatum, we specifically observed conjugation, whereas two different kinds of Paramecium are involved, and those Paramecium species, those two Paramecium cordatum first joined along with their gullet. So this portion is gullet. So with the help of gullet, two Paramecium individuals are attached with each other. After the fusion of two Paramecium with the help of gullet, the micronucleus is now splitted up and it produces two micronucleus, along with the macronucleus is now being degenerated. After degeneration of this particular macronucleus, the micronucleus again split and produces four micronucleus. After producing four micronucleuses, three of the micronucleuses are degenerate and only one that is perfect for the conjugation resides in the particular Paramecium species. After degeneration of three micronucleuses, the remaining one micronucleus is split, unequally split, and produces one stationary macronucleus and one migratory micronucleus. After forming stationary micronucleus and migratory micronucleus, the two Paramecium now formed a cytoplasmic bridge, that is the extension of its plasma membrane. And by forming the cytoplasmic bridge, these migratory micronucleus from, let us assume this is A Paramecium and this is B Paramecium. These migratory micronucleus come from A to B and fuses with the stationary micronucleus of B, and the migratory micronucleus of B fuses with the stationary micronucleus of A, and exchange of genetic materials through the cytoplasmic bridge occurs. After exchange of genetic materials, now there produces zygote nucleuses along with those Parameciums, and after that those zygote nucleuses now split into two, and after that it splits into four, and now new micronucleuses present in here in case of Paramecium along with the new macronucleuses. So new macronucleuses produces in this particular Paramecium, and after that three micronucleuses dissociated or degenerated and one micronucleus is still present. After degeneration of three micronucleus, the Paramecium is now form a cleavage site. From here they split into two, and after that it produces four daughter Paramecium species consisting of one macronucleus and one micronucleus. So this is all about conjugation. Now in case of Paramecium aurelia, autogamy, a special reproduction process discovered in Paramecium aurelia. In case of autogamy, here two micronucleus is present, and firstly degeneration of macronucleus occurred, and after that two micronucleuses produce four micronucleuses, and after that it produces 8 micronucleus, and after that degeneration of 7 micronucleases takes place. So 7 micronucleases degenerate from here, and one remaining, that is the best micronucleus consisting of base genetic materials, is remaining in this particular of paramecium. Now this particular micronucleus is split into two, and after splitting of two micronucleuses, the particular paramecium forming a paraoral cone, that is extension of plasma membrane, and those paraoral cone, these two micronucleuses fuses in this particular paraoral cone, and after that zygote nucleus is produced. So this is the zygote nucleus. Okay, so zygote nucleus is produced, and after producing zygote nucleus, this particularly micronucleus formed 4 micronucleus from 1 micronucleus, and after that a cleavage site is occurred in case of this particular paramecium, and it splits into two daughter paramecium aurelia. Okay, so here in case of paramecium aurelia, involvement of one paramecium is observed, but in case of conjugation, the involvement of two different paramecium is observed, number 1 and number 2. So I think this video helps you to understand about the asexual reproduction, conjugation and autogamy in different species of paramecium. If you like that video, please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.